Everyone, we are now May 8th. This is week number 5 here at KIT Iizuka. This class is Thursday, third period, English 2C. Want to go over the class contents and all of the important points for this week, and then we'll do some Quizlet, and we'll do some more speaking exercises. Let's see, class number 5, May 8th. This is just a placeholder for the video I'm making right now. After tonight or tomorrow, at least I'll have this video up there. Okay, so I apologized last week for the problems we were having with Quizlet, but it seems like it was just a temporary problem between the internet and the university's Wi-Fi system. It's fixed. It should be perfectly okay now to use. So we'll be doing a little bit of Quizlet, and then we'll go on to our speaking exercises. But the assignments for this week. First, last week, okay, with class number 4, I gave you the homework submission, number 1, and these are the homework answers, okay? Oops. These are the homework answers. So in here, if you click this, are photographs of all of the answers to the questions that you answered in pages 13 and 14. So please download that. Make sure you study them. Oh, and before I forget, study them because today's the 8th, then there's the 15th. Then after the 15th, oh, that's slow. Sorry, hang on a second. After the 15th, then there's the 22nd, and I'll zoom in on that a bit. The 22nd, we skip the 29th, and then class number 8 is the test. Okay, I'll make this a bit bigger for you. June 6th is our midterm test. The midterm test is about the vocabulary, the listening quizzes, and the reading quizzes, and the homework that you've done up to this point. Because there's a listening section, make sure that you bring your earphones. Wireless or wired, doesn't matter, but make sure that you can use them on that day. Also make sure that your computer the battery is good on the computer, or bring the recharger, and this university has lots of places you can plug into the outlets so that you can make sure there's power. You have to take this test in the classroom. You can't take it outside of the classroom, so make sure you're here on time. Okay, so there's really only 3 more classes. This week, the 15th and the 22nd, until our midterm test. Okay, now, so you have your homework answers, and then you have more homework. So every week, basically, you have more homework. Again, write your answers out, take a picture, send it up to the homework submission. And this week, you have a reading quiz. This reading quiz is due on the 18th. This one's a little bit longer. It's 40 minutes. You have 40 minutes to read and answer the questions. Okay, make sure that you get that done before May 18th. And as always, you have a reflection that's due tomorrow night at 11 p.m. Very simple question, okay? What do you think is good about English education in Japan? What do you think is bad? Now, don't make this too difficult on yourself. Just like last week, I said, okay, write 10 minutes, just write your best English, and most of you did just fine. That was good. That kind of English is fine. Shows you what you can do and how you can communicate. It shows me how good your English is. It's fine. You don't really need another dictionary. If you have to look in a dictionary, yeah, that's fine too, but I don't think you need to. What I read last week was just fine. So write on that question and send that up to me in a photographs. Okay, now we'll begin with this Quizlet. So I'll soon be asking you to take out your cell phones to access that Quizlet and then practice by yourselves. If you have any questions, of course, you can always contact me at my email, jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can come and talk to me here in class. Okay, thanks everyone. Let's have